So I have a bunch of SWI and meme coins in my wallet, but I feel like they could be doing more than just sitting there. You are totally correct, Cowboy TREVIN. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add liquidity to liquidity pools for meme coins on SWI. Okay, so we will be visiting our good old friends Turbos Finance for this video. So first thing you want to do is go to turbos.finance and it'll pop up with this glorious screen. So first thing we want to do is to go in the right hand side, click launch DApp. Oh my gosh, okay, we're in the swapping section, but don't worry because it's super simple to get to the liquidity pools and how to get started. So we'll actually be going in the middle where it says earn, and we'll click on pools. Once this pops up, it'll actually show you all the pools that are active at this time. And I'll say there is a lot. So for this video, I'll just be showing you how to add to meme coins, but you can add to a lot of different coins on here. So for example, we have NS, we have SWI/USDC. They just added MemeFi. There's so many different liquidity pools, and I'll show you how easy it is to get started. So if you're also trying to find a meme coin that you hold, so for example, AAA or Octo, I can actually just search for those. So all I have to do is put in the meme coin name where it says import coin symbol. Okay, so just for this, I was able to put in AAA, and there are two pools. So I would go with this one, and it'll also say meme coin on it. So I could technically get up to 66.56. And let's look at Octo. So Octo is going crazy right now. We have honestly insane APR, so technically you could get 2,456 APR. That is risking it for the biscuit, but if you're into that, go for it. And one last thing I think is super cool, so you're actually able to click on the category. So do you want all the pools? Do you want rewards? Do you want stable coins? Do you want meme coins? Do you want liquid staking tokens? Do you want GameFi? There's so much on this, but I thought going after the meme coins, because that's what's popular right now on SWI, is probably the best thing. So let's just go back to AAA and I'll show you how easy it is to add liquidity to the pool. So all we have to do is type it in and then add liquidity. So right now we're able to get a total of 278. I personally always put this down because it actually gives you a better range. So I only usually go for around 50%. I am on the safe side, but if you want to risk it for the biscuit, you can definitely have higher APR. I will have to say you can get liquidated, so be careful what you're putting in. Only put in what you're willing to risk, not financial advice. Okay, so it looks like we have 1,800 of AAA. So personally, I'll just do 1,000 for this video. So 1,000 AAA will also be 0.52 SWI. Then we just hit add liquidity, approve, and boom. Thank you so much. You're now earning 53.81 APR. Wonderful. Then we'll just hit close. It'll actually show you the pools that we do have open once you click on manage pools. And if you're wondering, TREVIN, how the heck do you get there? Well, when you're on the page where it says liquidity pools, on the right hand side, kind of in the middle, you'll be able to see what you have for your positions. And then it'll start to show you your unclaimed rewards. So let's just do Octo, for example. So we type in Octo, we'll be hitting add liquidity. The APR is crazy high because there's not a lot of people putting in liquidity for the LP. So down here, we'll just be putting in SWI. So since we have 30 SWI in this wallet, we'll just do 10. And when you put in the amount, it'll actually auto calculate how much Octo or whatever meme coin you have into the position. And from here, I'm just gonna bring this down to 2,000 because that is crazy high right now. Then we'll hit add liquidity and approve. And there we go. We are earning 2,000% on Octo, and it's that simple. I hope you guys found this video interesting and helpful. If you did, definitely leave a comment below. It truly means a lot, and I'm trying to show people all the crazy and amazing stuff we have on SWI. SWI is still a very young blockchain, and I'm very excited to keep showing you everything that it has to offer. My name is TREVIN, or TREVIN versus NFT, and don't worry, because I will see you in Web3. Ooh!